Good evening and welcome to the commencement ceremony for the 2020 graduating class of Scholars Academy. I would like to welcome the members of our faculty and the families who are celebrating with us today. Most importantly, I would like to offer my congratulations to the amazing graduates. Graduates, today's commencement ceremony is about celebrating your accomplishments and imagining your future and the road ahead. However, I would be remiss if I didn't acknowledge that this virtual graduation celebration is very different from what we anticipated and what we had hoped for. This year has been unique and filled with challenges, obstacles, and heartaches that none of us were quite prepared for. The COVID-19 pandemic meant an abrupt end to our daily routines and unfortunately to your senior year and your time with friends. The recent tragic deaths of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, and Ahmaud Arbery have forced us to face issues of racism and prejudice in our society. Our city, our nation, and our community are mourning the loss of so many lives, and we are facing an uncertain future. You are moving on to a new chapter of your lives during an incredibly painful and challenging moment in history. But today's commencement ceremony is about celebrating your accomplishments. We cannot control the storm that swirls around us, but we can adjust our sails. You have demonstrated tremendous resilience in the face of adversity these past few months, and for that, you must be commended. When you look back on your high school years, there is no question that you will remember the abrupt closing of the school building and the missed celebrations you looked forward to in your senior year. I hope that you will also remember all of the amazing memories you have from the rest of your high school experience. I hope that you will be able to look back with fondness at memories from cultural celebration shows, Spirit Week events, drama productions, musical performances, concerts, assemblies, trips, and nail-biting championship games. I hope that you will laugh about Mr. O saying, "How you doin'?" and forcing me to say it too. Never again, by the way. My point is you, the class of 2020, are amazing, and your high school experience is made up of so many great pieces that are worth remembering and celebrating. It is my sincere hope that today, and in the future, you look back on your time at Scholars and that it puts a smile on your face. You, the class of 2020, have accomplished amazing things. 100% of you graduated with a high school diploma. 97% earned College Ready's designation. 93% of graduates earned an Advanced Regents diploma, 18% with honors. 2 students have earned the seal of biliteracy, and 7 have earned an arts endorsement. Many of you have earned accolades and awards, such as AP Scholar Status, National Merit Scholarship, Spectrum New York 1 Scholar Athlete, Questbridge Scholarship, Amazon Future Scholarship, and many more. All of you were accepted to college, and you collectively earned more than $16 million in scholarships. Congratulations. These academic achievements are amazing, but they are not the whole story. You have also brought home championship banners and undefeated records, led the strongest and most active student government to date, facilitated a variety of philanthropic events such as toy drive and collections for our troops, produced and choreographed multiple amazing Black History Month, Hispanic Heritage, and World Culture shows, performed in countless beautiful winter and spring concerts and arts shows, eloquently acted in Merrily We Roll Along, The Crucible, and Beauty and the Beast, earned the title of Spirit Week champions, finally, and much, much more. The list goes on and on. You have made your mark. I sincerely hope that you will cherish these memories. But today's commencement ceremony is also about looking to the future. You have completed high school, and you are now ready to transition to college or career. It is true that you are moving on to this new chapter of your lives during a time of great uncertainty, and you will face many obstacles ahead. You have already proved your resilience in the face of adversity. You are ready to take on whatever challenges come your way. I won't stand here and pretend that I hold any great wisdom or words of advice. I know you all well, and I often feel that I learn more from you than you do from me. I have every confidence that you are leaving us fully prepared for whatever may come your way. I look forward to hearing about the wonderful things you will accomplish. I will end with this. Today, as you begin the next step of your journey and you look forward to the road ahead, make sure that you also take some time to look back on where you've been. It is an honor for me to be here today to celebrate you. the Scholars Academy graduating class of 2020. Congratulations.